Huwag kang tumalikod sa camera.
So, good day, men. So today we will conduct crankshaft deflection based on our schedule in our planned maintenance. So first thing you need to do is check your proper protective clothing. Make sure that you wear proper safety shoes as well as the gloves and other protective equipments while working on the maintenance.
Yes, sir. We already have a proper protective equipment. And also, sir, I called the bridge and asked them the permission to turn off our main engine and to start our crankshaft deflection at 700 hours and must be done at 1300 hours.
Okay. Sir, I already closed the main engine and as well as the pumps and motors and as well as the valves and I put lock up and tug up and I already secured the area, putting rugs and cleaned the area, sir.
And also, sir, I checked the manual and the tools that we need to use, and also the availability of our spare part like cell bearing and main bearing. And I think we have 100% sure to start our activity.
So, okay, man, have you filled up the work permits that I have given you? Because if you didn't fill up the work permits, you will not allowed to enter the working area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already done.
So, okay. So, safety first. Make sure that you have the oximeter that checking if the level of the air inside the working area is proper to conduct maintenance, and make sure that if the oximeter goes below, make sure to evacuate the area, as well as if you sense the toxic gases inside the workplace, immediately immediately evacuate the area, and have proper documentation regarding the maintenance. Make sure that you have the checklist that I have given you and the proper checklist that I have given you, PMS, as well as verified if the main engine is properly turned off.
Yes, sir. I already verified it using our tester, and it is already turned off.
Okay. Okay. Let's start crankshaft deflection.